The radius of a cylinder is increased by 25% and its height is decreased by 20%. What is the effect on the volume of the cylinder? A. It is decreased by 50%. B. It is decreased by 25%. C. It is increased by 25%. D. It is increased by 50%. At this moment, I encourage you to pause the video and solve it by yourself. Okay, I will solve it now. The radius of a cylinder, I will call it R, is increased by 25% and its height, I will call it H, is decreased by 20%. What is the effect on the volume of cylinder? Volume of a cylinder formula is pi radius squared times h, area of base, circle, times height, that's the volume. And now radius, new radius. The radius of cylinder is increased by 25%. 25% is just 1/4. So it would be 1 1/4 of the old radius. So I will just write 5/4. 5/4 of the old radius. And what else? Height is decreased by 20%. 20% is just 1/5. So new height is 4/5 of the old height. So this we know. And now what is the effect on the volume of the cylinder? So I will calculate volume 2, new volume. The formula is the same. Pi, the area of base, pi times radius squared times h. New radius, new h, which is equal pi times radius is 5/4 r, radius squared times h times 4/5 h. I will continue with with V2, volume 2. So this is equal to pi 5/4 r squared. 5 squared is 25, 4 squared will be 16, and this will be radius squared times 4/5 times h. Which is equal. This is all multiplied times, 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 times. Maybe I'll just do it quickly. I'll simplify 4. This is 1 and 16. How many 4s in 16? 4. And I will simplify 25 and 5. How many 5s in 25? This will be 5. And how many 5s in 5? This will be 1. So what will I get? So I'll get pi, I'll just copy, times, from those numbers I will just have 5/4 radius squared h, which is equal 5/4 pi radius squared h. 5/4 as a decimal is just 1 1/4, so 1.25, and pi times radius squared h, pi radius squared h, is just v. So V2, I calculated volume 2. Volume 2 is equal 1.25 times old volume. So what it means? It is increased by 25%. I'm planning to create more videos, so do not forget to like and subscribe.